Let's understand the cash book with a double column. The most common double column cash books are basically the cash book with a discount and cash columns. The other one is cash and bank columns. That is, in this cash book you will have a column for cash as well as for discount, whereas in this cash book you will have columns for cash balance and bank balances. So in this session, let's focus on the cash book with discount and cash columns. So this is the format of a double column cash book, which will have the columns for discount and the cash. So this cash book will also have debit side and credit side. On the debit side you will be recording all the receipts, and on the credit side you will be recording the payments. But what is unique about this cash book is that you are going to have a special columns called discount column. That is, on the debit side you will have a column for a discount that is allowed, because when you receive money and when you allow the discount you are going to receive less, so that would get captured here. Discount allowed is shown on the debit side, and when you pay money, when you receive discount, that is shown on the credit side. So discount allowed is shown on the debit side and discount received is shown on the credit side. So this cash book is also like any other ledger account, and here the discount column on each side is merely totaled. The total of discount column on the debit side shows the discount allowed to customers. This is nothing but the discount which is allowed to the customers, and this is nothing but the discount which is received from the suppliers. That is, when you total this, right, when you total this, what you get is discount allowed to customers, and when you total this, what you get is discount which you have enjoyed or you have received from the suppliers, right? So let's take a simple example to understand, or a simple case study to understand this double column cash book in the next session.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.